Welcome to our Parkside Manor project. Holy smokes, this is a big steel beam. It goes all the way from there, all the way, I'm still walking, all the way over here. It's gonna roughly be installed right above where the camera is right now. We've got steel dropped at all of the different locations, so I thought today, which is July 29th, I would take you around and show you what we're working on the main floor and in the basement. We've got a whole bunch of shoring that needs to get done. The first thing that we had to do was get the beams here so that we could start to get ready to do the shoring, because if we have all of the temporary shoring up, you wouldn't be able to get the beams in place. Beams are here. It was a monumental effort on Friday. It's Monday today. Let's take a look around and see what the heck the team have been up to. Pretty cool though, right? Okay, so if we start here, this is where the front door is and will be. Again, we've got a temporary floor framed above us for the team to work off of. So the first beam in place, which is center shot right now, is going to stay, but this larger beam behind it is going to be replaced, and that is going to go from that location there, and it's going to continue all the way to center screen right now. So roughly 33 feet. And that's going to be holding up the floor above us. Little standoffs there to support that smaller parallelogram that's staying, because the floor, the hallway above basically, is going to be partially on that. This wall here is going to be removed and eliminated. And in order to do that, we've got to put in this beam right here. And then here, we've got two posts. Actually, they look like beams, but they're not. They're actually going to be posts. And they're going to go on either side of the beam right there. And that's going to be one big, massive, open folding door in the future. Same thing here, big steel beam. This has a different style of post, but those are the posts that will be attached to that bad boy there. Now you'll see some holes in this big beam here. Those are there to allow wires to go through, sprinkler heads to go through, and drainage for plumbing and or water lines for plumbing to go through. So that's why you see all those holes. And actually, if we go to the other side of this massive beast, been packed out with micro lamps so that you can hang the TJI floor joists onto it, because turns out you can't put nails into steel very easily. All right, let's head downstairs. So here we are in the basement. We got Heavy T and Liam here framing up some shoring, which is gonna support the floor and the rest of the house above us so that we can install these new beams that we've got scattered throughout the house. So again, this is what we have to do in order to make these modifications to this home. We gotta, it's kind of sort of 2 steps backward, 1 step forward, then another step forward, then another step forward. But that's what it takes to get the job done, and that's what we do. So here we can see the footing that the team installed a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. We've got the post that's gonna be sitting on top of that in the future. Steel beam that is going to be going, I believe, this way above me, somewhere in this general vicinity here. And then we've got another beam here. I can't remember exactly all of the details. That's why I've got a great team that I work with every day that make sure that they've got their eye on the details. I can't stress enough how important it is to have a great team when you're doing complex and intricate work like this. And speaking of great teams, Sprucehill is one of the greatest. If you're thinking about doing any sort of renovations, we'd love to chat with you. Book a call with us. Let's get in touch. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.